Hello everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 260, single number 3. It is a medium level problem on the LeetCode, and you can also say it is an extended version of the single number 1 problem. So let's look at the problem statement. Here we have given an integer array nums in which exactly two elements appear only once and all the other elements appear exactly twice. Find the two elements that appear only once. You can return the answer in any order. So basically here we have given an array of nubs. The interesting part about this array is all the elements are appearing twice except the two elements which are appearing only the one time. So in the single number 1, previous question, what, what is there? What was about it? Here, in that question we have given an array and all the elements are appearing twice and only the one number is appearing only the one time. But here in this question, all the two numbers are appearing one time. So that's the part about this question. So let's understand a naive way to solve this problem, or can be called the brute force approach. So how can we solve it? We will take one element first and traverse through the whole array to check if that element is repeating or not. So I have taken, this is the array, 2, 2, 3, 6, 3, 4, 12, 4. If I take first element and traverse through the whole element and see if that number is repeating or not. As you can see, if I take 2, 0 index, and traverse through it, at the first index 2 is appearing, so we will not take it and move forward. And on the first index 2 is appearing, and now we'll traverse through from the start and check. At the 0 index 2 is also appearing, so we'll not take it. And at the second index 3 is appear, and now we will traverse just like before, both, and 3 appeared here, so it's not our answer also. And now comes the sixth one, 6. So if we traverse whole array, you can see that the 6 is not present, and that's we will push the 6 into the vector or array we have created, and and which and which other number is like 6 is 12, and in this approach, what is wrong about this approach is it's not wrong about, but it is taken a lot of time. We'll traverse the whole array and check each and every element multiple times, and takes a lot of time. And appear and the number is exactly at the end, and takes a lot of time, and it's time complexity one of n square. So let's try to solve it in the optimized way, in from the hash map perspective. So in the hash map, we just need to traverse the one time, and in that one time, we will just store the elements and frequency side by side. So if that element is not present on the hash map, we just add that element on the hash map and store its frequency. If that number is repeating, we will increase the frequency count, and we will on the first traverse, we traverse the array. On the second traverse, we'll traverse the map and find out which element is appearing only the one time. And that one time which element appears, we'll just push that element onto the vector. So that's the part. But be aware that hash map is the efficient way, but it also uses the extra space. So that's another optimal approach. It's XOR based, but here we are covering only the hash map type. So let's begin. And I will try to cover, if possible, the XOR based type of approach in the next time. So let's begin here. Now you traverse through the array of terms, and we store the frequencies of each and every element. And now we'll traverse through the map. And check if which element has the frequency of 1. We also need to create a vector also. the element in which element which the element which has frequency 1 will just push that element on the vector, and at last we will return this vector here. So let's look, is it work or not? So yeah, all the test cases has been passed. Let's click on submit. Okay, so as I said, this is a time efficient but not space efficient. For the space efficient, there is another approach, XOR based. So yeah, that's it, everybody. That's it from my side, and thank you.